Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Jolly Time microwave popcorn. First, find your popcorn bag inside its outer wrapper. Next, gently remove the plastic overwrap from the bag. It's important to fully unfold the popcorn bag before you put it into the microwave. This ensures even cooking and the best results for your snack. Get ready for some delicious popcorn. Now let's get cooking. Place the fully unfolded popcorn bag right in the middle of your microwave oven. You'll want to cook it on high power for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. The key is to listen closely. When the popping slows down to about 1 pop every 2 seconds, it's time to stop the microwave. Overcooking can burn your popcorn, so pay attention. Once the popping has slowed, carefully take the hot bag out of the microwave. Remember, it will be very warm. To open it safely, grasp the diagonal corners of the bag and pull them apart. As you open it, be mindful of the hot steam that will escape. This steam is normal, but it can be quite hot, so keep your face clear. Finally, it's time to enjoy your perfectly popped snack. Carefully pour all of that delicious, warm popcorn into a large serving bowl. If you like, you can add your favorite seasonings, a sprinkle of salt, or even some melted butter for extra flavor. Now, sit back, relax, and savor your homemade Jolly Time microwave popcorn. Enjoy every single bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.